Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super helpful tutorial on how to adjust same-day booking settings on BookingKoala. If you've been scratching your head trying to figure this out, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, go to the Settings option. From the Settings menu, select General. This will take you to a list of general configuration options. Under General, hover over On-Store Options. Within Store Options, look for the section labeled Customer, and select Bookings to expand it. Under the Bookings section, find the question, would you like to allow customers to book appointments for the same day? Simply toggle the option to Yes if you want to allow same-day bookings. If you prefer not to, you can leave it set to No. After that, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've successfully updated your same-day booking settings.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.